of Valley Fan made February 24, 2000 and is 1,328 millimeter fan. The time hardware and speed wall control with pass radius of 4.5 left and 9 left. These are medium and high. The fan itself has 5-year and 10-year for low and medium. So it actually gives you slightly faster than multiple speeds. I can't show factory speeds because the whole thing is cut off. I told you faster radius. I should know because I had to fix another Casablanca Palisades fan meet the same day at that same hotel to make it run high since it was under dimmer. Because the chamber placed and wired in a way that only worked on low. And I'll say this. Casablanca pull chains are different from other pull chain switch. Like the L actually goes to one of the speed faster wires. So if you wire a chain switch from Home Depot or Lowe's with the same wires, the same number or letter, it will only work on low. And yes, the other one's on dimmer, unlike this one which is on 3-speed control. It spins faster than any other fans in hotel rooms I stayed at that hotel. There are 3 other Palisades and 3 Casablanca Hudson truck. Those tons of air without wobble or noise. This fan doesn't have bouncing gateway unlike the first and third Palisades fan I took video